como si fuera un graffiti. Ese tipo de letra chunky.
Can you love me like that? I'll just keep repeating in case you didn't catch me.
having shoes out on the floor, I think it kind of lets the space look pretty messy. So this is a huge lifesaver. And then on sponge. And then right in front of that, I have a very large cactus cat tree, as well as anything else you see in the video in the description box. So this apartment has 1.5 bathrooms. So this is the half bath. So this bathroom just has a toilet and a sink. Pretty much have it in bed. Over here, I have a medium console and TV, with vases and books, as well as the sound bar right here attached to. I've gotten a lot of questions about this floor lamp right here. This is, I believe, from 2017 IKEA collection. It's basically the chair that I showed earlier. They're all pretty low to the floor. I think the seat height is around like 16 inches. I should probably add labels to them because honestly I forget pretty often what's in these. One flash side table that I keep some interesting pots and books in, and dirt that would usually get on the window. But every once in a while, my cat like loves sitting that's coming in from the living room windows. I'm not the biggest coffee drinker for cooking. We have a good sized sink here, which we use for.
Merlin. Merlin. Zezabiz, nire izara artean. Zu ibili izan nire izaraketan mobitzen ala, Merlin. Ze, komodo zare horraz pixan ala?